The harsh reality. AI is changing everything. Are you ready? Let's be brutally honest. The job market as we know it is being dismantled before our eyes. If you're a truck driver, taxi driver, or delivery person, automation is already gearing up to replace you. If you're a software engineer, customer support agent, accountant, or legal assistant, your job is at serious risk too. Even professions once thought untouchable, like video editors and content creators, are being redefined. And yes, I'm included in that list. This isn't a prediction for the distant future. It's happening now. What we are witnessing is the dawn of a new industrial revolution, powered by artificial intelligence, AI. This moment in time is equivalent to being alive when electricity was first introduced. The scale of change is massive, and it's coming fast. The AI tsunami, what it means for your career. We're entering a phase of exponential innovation. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a fully capable system that's already outperforming humans in many areas. Let that sink in. Legal queries? Handled by AI more efficiently than a $1,000 an hour lawyer. Video editing? AI tools now produce studio-grade content in seconds. Customer service? Handled by intelligent chatbots 24/7. Coding? AI can write and debug entire applications in moments. In short, if your job can be broken down into patterns, processes, or predictable tasks, AI can do it faster, cheaper, and better. Why you're still important. And what you need to do now. This video isn't just about fear. It's about opportunity. Yes, jobs will be lost. But a new economy is being born. One where individuals can use AI to become independent creators, entrepreneurs, and innovators. The question is, will you cling to the past or adapt to the future? Here's the truth. AI isn't just stealing jobs. It's giving ordinary people extraordinary power to build things that once required entire teams or companies. Tools that are changing the game. Today, anyone can make high-quality videos without a camera, thanks to Runway ML, Pika, or Google's Video FX. Generate voiceovers in any language or accent using 11 Labs or Heygen. Write scripts and content with tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai. Add royalty-free music or original AI-composed tracks with SoundDraw, Amper, or Iva. Launch an entire business from your Instagram with nas.io and sell digital products in minutes. What used to take weeks now takes minutes. The AI-driven business model. From idea to income. Imagine this. You give AI your Instagram profile. In 1 minute, it builds your digital product. In another minute, it generates a high-converting ad. In the next step, it automatically finds your target audience via Facebook or Google Ads. That's not theory. That's happening right now. Before AI, this would take 5 to 6 weeks with a skilled team. Now, you can launch a product or brand in less than a day, solo. The rise of the super individual. We're moving into the super era, where average people become exceptional using AI. A regular content creator becomes a super creator. A junior coder becomes a super developer. A part-time coach becomes a super entrepreneur. With AI, you don't need to hire a full team. You are the team. CEO, marketer, designer, editor, developer. All powered by smart tools. 2025 to 2035. The age of entrepreneurship. Here's what's coming. Today, around 10% of people are entrepreneurs. Within a decade, 30% of the world will run independent ventures. Why? Because AI has eliminated the need for massive startup capital, technical expertise, and large teams. Your mom could start a business from her kitchen. Your teenager could launch a YouTube empire. Your uncle could finally turn his hobby into income. The only thing holding you back? Not taking action. Final thought. AI is electricity. What will you build with it? AI isn't just a threat. It's a foundation, like electricity once was. It will soon power everything. And the question is, will you be replaced, or will you reinvent yourself? This revolution rewards the bold, those willing to adapt, learn, and act fast. The tools are here. The knowledge is free. The time is now. Thank you for being here. Now go build something amazing, because this future belongs to creators. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Cody, signing off from Storyverse Global. Stay curious, challenge the narrative, and I'll catch you in the next one.